Hello guys, welcome to Tales and Trails, and right in front of me I have a Revolt RV 400 today. This is a pretty decent motorcycle. It's an electric motorcycle. Right here is the battery unit. Unlike we have the engine in our normal bikes, this is the battery unit, and it's just like a normal bike. You have the brake levers right here. You don't get a brake lever right here, the rear brake, but you get a rear disc right here. There's one more electric car going. That's an electric car, and this is an electric bike right here. And right here we have the normal good headlamp, which looks pretty, and I think it'll do the job in the night. And this is how the motorcycle basically looks. This is how it looks from the back, and this is how it looks from this side. And let me show you guys how does it look from this angle. This is how it looks. It looks pretty decent if you ask me. So this gets a rear disc caliper brakes. It doesn't get the drum unit, and this doesn't have an ABS. This has a combi braking system, and this is how the motorcycle looks like. Let's hop onto the motorcycle, take a short ride, and come back. Well, first things first, right after you hop on this motorcycle, what did I do is I pressed the brake lever. I thought it's a clutch, but it's not. So let's crank up the motorcycle, and we just cranked up the motorcycle, and it feels good. So finally we are on the motorcycle, and this is how it feels. This is the brake, this is the rear brake lever, and this is the front brake lever, and that's Asad there again. And so I'm gonna take a short spin on this bike, get back and tell you more how does it feel. You don't have to hold this brake lever. If you hold it, the bike is not going to go forward, and this is the brake lever. Like you can see, the bike stopping. And let's take a small spin on this bike. Oh, it feels so good. And this is the RV 400, guys. Right now we are in Banjara Hills, so I just have to get used to riding the EV. Taking a good turn. Oh, it has good punch, it has good punch. It does manage the city pretty well. It feels comfortable in the city, very comfortable in the city. So it's in the economy mode. We have 3 modes right here. We are in 1. You can see this is 1. This is the city mode. We shift it to 2. Right now it is in 2. This is the power mode. It has one more mode, that is the this is the eco mode. We have one more mode, that is mode 3, that is power like it hits. The vehicle pulls, the vehicle pulls. The bike rides pretty good. The bike rides really good. The brakes on this bike are pretty decent. We're taking a small spin on the bike. ఎగ్జాస్ట్ వింటావా?
సౌండ్ మారు.
అది చూస్తున్నా. ఏ ఆఫ్ నో ఇటు అంతే ఉంది. గేర్ లేవు. అరే రేర్ బ్రేక్ కొడుతున్నా, డౌన్ షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తున్నా, గేర్ లేదు. ఏ బాగుంది, ఇట్స్ ఫన్. మన సైనిక్ పూరిలో ఎట్లా చెప్పచ్చు తెలుసా దీన్ని? ఇట్ గో 70. On the power mode it is fast. On the eco mode it's like a TVS XL only. It goes slow. It doesn't cross 45-50.
25.